boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. Tory Lanez here, Ballad of a Badman. So this is not a typical guitar song, but we love Tory Lanez here. Perhaps you watch tutorials here on Gordon Guitar, like Crystal Strawberry, 87 Stingray, perhaps Lato Namek or so. So he will be back here. So this one is about 3 different chords. And we don't have any capo here set on because we're gonna work with just bar chords. So that's the reason. Let's take a look at the chords. So we're gonna start with A. That is a bar chord here, bar placed on this 5th fret of all strings. So 5th fret, and then you need to add 7th on A, 7th on D, and 6 on G. That's the A. You take the same very grip and move it 2 frets towards you, like this. You land now on the B chord when you place the bar on 7th fret then, and then everything else looks the same. That gives us 9th on A, 9 on D, and 8 on G. So there you have the B. And then you go back again and you place the bar on the 4th fret, and it looks like this. That's the G sharp minor. So bar on 4th fret, you bar all strings again there, and then you need to add 6 on A and 6 on D. That's the G sharp minor. All right, so if we go back to A here, we're gonna look at the strumming. So 1 string around will be down, up, clap, up. So down, up, clap, up. All right, so that's the tempo you need. So a couple rounds. All right, so you're gonna play in the same way from the beginning till the very end. That will be A, 4, B, 4, G sharp minor, 4, and back to A, 4. So it both starts and ends with A. So 2 rounds will be second round. Yeah, so there you have it, the Tory Lanez, Ballad of a Badman. Thank you for watching and play tuned.